Now in this video, I'll give you my first impressions of the Honor View 20, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello guys, do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos for free every single week, sometimes twice a week, and this week is 3 times a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome back my friends. Now as soon as I got my hands on the phone, the first thing that I noticed was how premium the phone really felt. Now the sides of the phone is an aluminum matte blue finish and the phone felt really light even with this glass at the back, and of course the size of the battery right inside. Now speaking of the glass back, there's a very unique chevron finish where for me it felt way less slippery than other glass back phones. Now there is 2 cameras at the back with a slight camera bump where it is arranged in a horizontal position, where the main camera is a 48 megapixel f1.8 and a TOF 3D sensor, which is also known as the time of flight camera, which apparently is to sense from a 3D perspective, which is very interesting indeed. And of course, I'll definitely show you guys some amazing sample photos that I produce in my full video review of the phone really soon. Now as for the front of the phone, it is a 6.4-inch LCD display with an 85.7% screen to body ratio, where from my first impressions the screen looked very pleasing indeed. And of course, as mentioned in my previous Q&A or Ask Lobo video, what I really love about phones nowadays moving forward for 2019 is the type of notch which is present in the Honor View 20, where it is the punch hole notch, where I'm really looking forward to consume lots of videos on the phone. And of course from there I'll know whether or not it is indeed distracting to have the tiny little circle right over there. Now in terms of the phone's internals, it is powered with the Kirin 980 chipset. It is shipped with Android 9.0 Pie, and this time around it comes with the Magic UI 2 instead of the EMUI skin, which is a skin that I kind of prefer, and the variant which I have is the massive 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, but expect another variant of the phone during launch as well, especially with the different color options available too. Now in terms of performance, as usual, I will use this phone as my daily driver to give you guys my full entire feedback during my full video review, where I'll be testing the battery life as it has 4000 milliamps of battery. Now the Honor View 20 will be launching globally on the 22nd of January in Paris, France. And thanks to Honor Malaysia, I will be heading there and the phone will be launched here in Malaysia on the 26th of January 2019. And I've also received a special news just recently that the Honor Watch Magic will also be launching during the global and also the Malaysian launch as well. So yes, I'm really excited about that as it looked really slick with a 1.2-inch AMOLED display and a super long battery life. And I also tried to get my hands on the watch too. And of course, let's also wait for the official price announcement during the global and the Malaysian launch as well. So guys, do let me know if you have any questions to ask about the Honor View 20 at the comment section below or even on Instagram, as my full video review of the phone will be as usual based on your questions, just to make sure that I covered every single curiosity or even any questions that you guys have in mind in my next full video review. And of course, be sure to follow me on my social media platforms, especially on Instagram, as I will be using this phone during my trip in Paris for you to get some live coverage on how exactly the phone is. And I would like to say thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed this quick hands-on and first impressions of the upcoming release of the Honor View 20. Now, if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys really soon.